everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. I am in the shed here making my memorials tonight, and I just wanted to share one of them with you. The other one is already in the house, but I'll share this one with you. What I did was I went and I got the glass vases, and I used the Armor Etch. Alright, and this is the Armor Etch cream that you put on your glass to etch it. Alright, and then of course I use water to clean it up with. You can use soap and water. You can take it to the kitchen sink and clean it up. But you just need water to rinse off the etch, as well as your tape here, painter's tape, your stencil vinyl, and that's what this is. I have some more cutouts on here I have to do some more etchings with. Alright, and then if you saw the video on how to do this, then you know how to do the etching. So I'm not going to go over all of that, but I will show you. And you see it says in loving memory all around. Alright, and that is what this one is looking like. It says in right there. Loving memory. Alright, I'm going to turn this light down a little bit and see if you can see it a little bit better. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay. So you can see it a little bit better. There's loving. In loving. Memory. Alright, and this is etched into the glass. Alright, so it's not going to come off. This turned out really, really nice. And that is the flower arrangement that I put in here, along with the black shred. Alright, y'all, so this is what the etched glass looks like. So just tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. This floral arrangement is beautiful, y'all. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
Happy males in the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we
Hi
prevail.
everybody, it's Katrina.
Basket designing, always refining, deal finding, yeah, we grinding.